Hi YouTube. So welcome to another video from Simple Invest, and today we'll be looking at financial reports. In particular, we'll look at financial report of Berkashire Hathaway, which is a very big conglomerate and a very big company, which is headed and founded by the most famous value investor in the world, Warren Buffett. So Berkshire Hathaway is his main holding company, which holds his conglomerates of businesses and so on. So I also have another report here from Amazon, but we won't have time to go through it in this video. We'll probably do it in another video. First and foremost, let's to answer the question of how to get a hold of the financial report. So you always have your most friendly search engine, Google. Just go to Google and just type Berkshire Hathaway, and you can look for Berkshire Hathaway financial statements. Just type enter, and you will want to go to the main company website, which is in this case berkshirehathaway.com. So click on that, and you can see this very simple, almost childish website. So this is the Berkshire Hathaway website. Simple, no frills, no decorations. It's just, this is just what you get. This is what you get. It's for a multi-billion-dollar company, which you will see as we go to the reports later. Their website is almost a joke, but that is what Warren Buffett likes it. He likes things to be simple and clear-cut and upfront, which is great, which is why I love Warren Buffett. So 2019, we don't have our annual report yet because only the latest one is up to the third quarter. So let's click on this. And you can see a simple PDF file. Click on that, and wham, you get a download of the Berkshire Hathaway quarterly report for September 2019. So following next part of the video, we'll go through how to read it.